there. Come on. There it goes. Okay. So, hello, Mr. Pearson. This is my falling water. Um, yeah, so here's the stairway going up from a couple views. Got some interior design here. Here's where most of the pictures are taken, I guess, on Google. This kind of view. I got this stairway going up right here, and I also have the stone stairway that goes to the pool. I got a couple other things too. Another bedroom, the deck that goes off this tower. I didn't really build the back side of it, because I'm lazy, but I did make pretty much the whole front side or the main part of the house. Because the back is just a pathway, I believe, and then there's like a couple things that branch off here. But yeah, it's nothing crazy. Sadly, the only way to get up here is with a ladder through this tower. But at least there's the floors that extend out onto this tower. Gosh, I cannot think straight right now. Yeah, I'll just get a couple aerial views of it real quick. Looks pretty good at night too. Alright, well I think that about does it.